Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Another important tip to remember when you're installing your termite bait stations is going to be the size of the hole that you use. We use a little earth auger that's got a bit that's exactly the size of the actual termite station. Termites are subterranean. That means they live underground, they travel underground, and whenever you drill your hole out, so some people would think, oh, you know, I want to do it yourself, I'll just use a post hole digger. Well, you're going to create a hole that is far bigger than the actual station, and where that's a problem is that you don't want there to be a void. You want the sides of the station to be able to come into contact with the actual ground, so that when the termites, like with the bait station, they are attracted to the actual station with a bait, so that when they're traveling it, you want them to be able to just seamlessly travel straight from the soil into the station and start the feeding process. If you've got this big void in there, you actually might be able to, you might prevent them or delay or cause an issue with them being able to get in contact with the bait, which is going to cause issues, and it's going to be counterproductive to what we're trying to achieve to begin with. So just remember, use an earth auger or some other tool that's going to be exactly the same size as your actual termite station. You want it to be you don't want it to have to force it in, but you want there to be a firm, tight fit. You want to have to push it down, and you want to have to kind of step on it a little bit just to seal it off. You want good soil to station contact. If you got any questions, let us know. Look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.